Everyone, Sim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent your Android phone from turning off. So this could be really easy. Now we could swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down to display and touch. Go to screen timeout. And you can see I can go all the way up to 30 minutes. But we have this little option down here, screen attention. Prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So if you're watching a movie or playing games, your screen won't turn off. Now if you go to the main settings menu and then you go to about phone, scroll on down here, go to the build number and tap this like 5 different times, and this will unlock the develop mode. And then we go to search and we type developer mode in here. There is an option in here called stay awake. So you can see my developer mode is turned on. Stay awake. Screen will never sleep when charging, so if you have your phone plugged in, your screen will never turn off. So there's a bunch of different options on here you can go and try. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.